Want a powerful drone in 2025 without breaking the bank? Today, I'll show you the top 5 best budget drones that give you premium features at an affordable price. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 budget drones of 2025 from AliExpress. These drones offer 8K cameras, obstacle avoidance, GPS, and brushless motors, all at wallet-friendly prices. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Xiaomi Drone. The Xiaomi drone comes with an 8K dual-lens HD camera, 3-axis stabilization, and obstacle avoidance sensors. It features brushless motors and even includes a screen on the remote controller. Customer reviews. Users love its stable flight and premium camera quality, saying it feels like a professional drone at a budget price. Pros: 8K HD dual-lens camera, built-in remote screen, 3-axis aircraft stabilization, obstacle avoidance, durable brushless motors. Number 2. RG806 GPS Drone. This foldable GPS drone comes with a 4K dual-lens camera, optical flow hovering, and obstacle avoidance technology. The remote features a built-in display, making it easier to control without relying on your phone. Customer reviews. Buyers mention its easy handling and reliable GPS navigation, calling it a great all-rounder for beginners and hobbyists. Pros: dual-lens 4K camera, GPS for accurate positioning, foldable, travel-friendly design, remote screen included, optical flow for smooth hovering. Number 3. S2S Mini Drone. Compact yet powerful, the S2S Mini Drone offers an 8K HD camera, 25 minutes of flight time, and brushless foldable design. It's equipped with obstacle avoidance and FPV live video transmission. Customer reviews. Most buyers appreciate its long flight time and portability, saying it's one of the best budget-friendly travel drones. Pros: 8K HD professional camera, 25 minutes flight duration, compact foldable design, obstacle avoidance sensors, smooth brushless performance. Number 4. Xiaomi GT8 Drone. The GT8 brings 8K aerial photography with a large screen remote control. It's designed with obstacle avoidance, FPV transmission, and folding arms for portability. Customer reviews. Users highlight the image quality and responsive controls, saying it feels like a mid-range drone at an entry-level price. Pros: 8K professional camera, large display remote, obstacle avoidance system, foldable for travel, stable FPV connectivity. Number 5. Xiaomi V988 Drone. Weighing under 249 grams, the V988 packs an 8K Pro camera with 4K live transmission, a remote with built-in screen, and brushless motors. Perfect for travelers and beginners who want high performance without extra weight. Customer reviews. Buyers praise its lightweight design and premium camera output, calling it one of the best sub-250 grams drones of 2025. Pros: 8K Pro camera plus 4K live streaming. Under 249 grams, travel-friendly. Built-in remote screen. Brushless motor efficiency. Beginner-friendly operation. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So, those are the top 5 best budget drones of 2025, pro-level features at prices that won't hurt your wallet. From the feature-packed Xiaomi, the GPS-powered RG806 MAX, the portable S2S Mini, the Xiaomi GT8, to the lightweight V988, there's a drone here for every budget and flying style. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more drone and gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy flying.